Welcome to Eye Advice, an initiative to spread awareness on digital eye strain, leading cause of dry eye disease. Today we have Dr. Meeta Mungale, Cornea specialist, Anterior segment surgeon, Mungale Eye Hospital from Vadodara, here to share tips on preventing digital eye strain in your daily life. Stay with us. Doctor, what is digital eye strain and how does it affect our vision?
Digital eye strain is another name for computer vision syndrome, and anyone in front of a digital screen is at risk. It is now the most common computer-related repetitive strain injury. Less than 20% of the adults are aware of digital eye strain. It is caused by an overuse of digital devices and the eyes having to constantly refocus and reposition to process the text and graphics.
Doctor, what are the most common symptoms of digital eye strain that people should be aware of?
Digital eye strain manifests through a series of discomforting symptoms. The individuals will experience headaches, blurred vision, dry eyes, even neck pain after prolonged screen exposure. It is not confined to adults. Children are equally at risk as screens are integral to their learning and entertainment. This problem is real, widespread, and needs immediate attention and solution.
Doctor, how does prolonged use of digital devices impact eye health?
90% of the adults now spend more than 2 hours a day staring at screens, leading to digital eye strain. This prolonged use causes mainly 2 or 3 major problems. One is the dryness of the eyes, and second, as we already learned, the blurred vision and headache. Overall, our eye health is impacted in the long term as it becomes a chronic issue. There is a term known as pixelation, where the digital content of the screen, which is made up of pixel, so our eyes constantly adjust to focus on this pixel. But this constant refocusing can tire the eye. This is a key factor in digital eye strain. So giving regular breaks from screen time definitely reduces digital eye strain.
Doctor, can you explain the 20-20-20 rule and how it helps in reducing eye strain?
So the most effective and straightforward strategy is a 20-20-20 rule, which is very simple. Every 20 minutes, take a 20-second break and focus on something 20 feet away. This practice gives the eyes a much needed rest and helps to reset our focus. For our eyes, looking at the distance is like taking rest. So like any other muscle in our body, our eye muscles become fatigued after prolonged use, and this rule will help in relieving the stress on the muscles. So just look at something far away and your eye muscles would relax.
Doctor, how can parents ensure their children are using digital devices in safe and healthy manner?
For the parents, it's very important to follow the guidelines of screen time recommendations by age. I will mention a few. Children below 2 years should have less than 1 hour of screen time. If the child is between the age of 2 and 5, it's only 1 hour each weekday. And for kids and teens up to 17 years, only 2 hours of screen time is actually recommended. And for the adults, actually it is just 2 to 4 hours. We have to make time for physical activity for children and see to it that they get proper exposure to sunlight. Also, their sleep time should be ensured to be minimum of 8 to 10 hours a day. And also, increasing the distance of the screen helps avoiding glare on the screen and keeping a proper screen position. Also, reducing the brightness of the screen to a comfortable level will help the child. These are few of my tips.
Thank you for listening to Eye Advice. A big thanks to Dr. Meeta Mungale for the great tips on preventing digital eye strain in your daily life. Stay with us.
Issued in public interest by Alembic CSR Foundation. Views expressed are independent opinions of the doctor. Please consult your doctor before starting any medication or treatment. Alembic CSR Foundation disclaims any or all liabilities and claims.